Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. In this video, I'm going to redecorate my loft in neutral glam. But before I do that, I would like to review a product first. And here it is. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. So in this video, I'm going to review the Tuddrom 4 blanket. They sent it to me and I'm excited. So I already opened it up. Here's the product of this 4 blanket. I chose the light yellow color. As you can see over here, it's very fuzzy and it's very soft. You can also use this at the other side. The size of this one is 78 by 90. It is lightweight but very cozy. This blanket came with different sizes. They have 50 by 60, which is their throw blanket. Queen size, which is 78 by 90, the one I have right here. And the other size is 70 by 78, and it came with various color. They have pure white, black, gray, cream white, light gray, light yellow, and pink. This blanket is perfect on chilly weather, which is fall is coming, so this is perfect right here. That's why I decided to style this one in my loft, because my loft is my favorite area in the house. If you're interested with this blanket, the link will be in my description box. This blanket, there's a lot of purpose. You can style this one in your couch, in your sofa, in your bed, even with a Christmas tree skirt. And I know you will love it. Now, let's get it started. Please grab your drinks while hanging out with me. I have some new items here again in my loft, and I will let you know where I get them. Here guys, my new purchase from Target. It was Heart and Hand by Magnolia Homes, and this one is $29.99. The small one is $24.99. Guys, I highly recommend this marble right here from Studio Magi collection. It was 30 bucks from Target. Dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to a new history. Find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. Some of the pieces here I am styling in my bar cart. This one is already in my shopping haul, so if you like to check it out, I will leave the link. This candle right here from Heart and Hand by Joanna Gaines, and this one is $24.99. I have 2 of them, guys. So guys, if you like these candles and the pieces I'm showing here, check your Target. To go on Here, I'm using my Louis Vuitton Vax as a riser of my desk that I bought from West Elm. This cute candle right here came from Studio Magi collection. This one is $15.
Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for
Small pumpkin from Target as well. It was $5.
one just like
Everyone, if you're in the market to find this bust, I see at Home Goods 3 days ago. So please check your Home Goods.
from the ocean.
Here, this Visors right here looks like leather to me. Also Studio Magi collection.
We're the same.
And the fall flowers
Run away
also from Target, and my pumpkin from Hobby Lobby.
now and always. You and me, you and me.
Welcome to my loft, and I hope you like what I did here in neutral colors for fall.
We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind.
As I said earlier, this furry blanket is very soft, and I highly recommend this blanket. It is very affordable price as well. My wall art also from Home Goods. I bought this one 2 weeks ago.
Say what you feel. I don't even know if this is real. How can you like me? You're as close
My candle that I use here in my pumpkin lantern is thrifted.
you and me. We don't need no one else than each other. You and me.
My magazine rack from Target, and it was Studio Magi collection.
We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. We don't have to stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind.
This curtain right here, I have this for 2 years, and this one is my favorite when I style neutral tones. Don't forget to follow me in Instagram at Glamour Ellen. Same thing with my Facebook, it is Glamour Ellen. And guys, please don't forget to share my video, likes and comments. It really helps my channel. Tomorrow everyone, please stay tuned in our blue and copper over-the-top glam tablescape. And I hope you like it. Guys, if you like my video today, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. I would like to take this moment to say thank you so much, guys, for supporting my channel and always commenting my video. I read all of them, but sometimes I cannot reply them right away because I receive a lot of comments from my old videos and my new videos. So I'm trying to figure out how can I reply them most of the time. I just like to let you know that I read all of them, and it always brings smile to my face every comments I receive. Thank you guys so much. I'm very grateful to have you here in my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.